Hi everyone, Av here again. I want to show you a cool little product that I love using every single day. It's the Newline Flex. It's a tiny little device that fits right on my desk, whether I'm at home or in the office. So it's 27 inches. It's got integrated cameras right here. It's got speaker bar, high performance sound. It's got a great display. And more importantly, the whole thing tilts. I have the ability to use it as a writing tablet, or I can pull it up and use it as a video conferencing device. At the same time, this camera tilts, it moves, so I can orient it any which way I want. I find this fantastic to go ahead and do any type of presentation. So I have the ability to come in, pin up my content, use the touchscreen, and basically highlight, underline, communicate with my customers either this way or that way. I can set up multiple cameras. Now, what's interesting about this setup, I just want to show you what I'm doing here. I actually paired the Flex with a great little Lenovo P340. I find this to be really small, and for the price point, it offers fantastic value. High performance, small footprint, really quiet, and the integrated NVIDIA GPU is absolutely fantastic. So the ability for us to do all sorts of neat things, for example, whether it be architecture or design, I have the ability to come in, present as if I have an interactive flat panel or a whiteboard, no matter where I'm at. I actually have one in my home, and I even have one in my huddle spaces and my offices. So my entire team has been working with Newline Flex these days, and I want you to just check it out. Thanks again.